The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Coleman County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Madison County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, southern Franklin, Tennessee County in middle Tennessee, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Several roads across this area have water over them, with several roads on Sand Mountain reported closed. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Emergency Management and DARPA radar estimates. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albertville, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Rainsville, Bridgeport, Henniger, Stevenson, Crossville, Sylvania, Owens Crossroads, Fife, Hollywood, Powell, Geraldine, Grant, Skyline and Section. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.